What's up, Misters and Misses? My name is Mr. Skurs, and you're watching my video. And despite what you may think, ice is not slippery. In the last episode of Skurs' Stories, it was too long. It was. I don't think it was very enjoyable or entertaining. So this one I'm gonna keep short and sweet-ish. As well as the last one, it was during high school and during the summer, and it included a bonfire at some point. But this one, we left the bonfire. It was me and actually it was pretty much everybody in the group at that time, and we went to a playground at an elementary school. It was empty. It was at night and everything, you know. And we were playing Lava Monster, kind of. I don't remember exactly what we were playing, but we were running around and stuff. And the playground was made of this black rubber stuff, and there was a ramp going up to the playground, the actual playground equipment, and and I was running, being chased by somebody, and I did not see where the ramp was, because it's a ramp, but the sides are like this, and I didn't see it. And so I was running. I was being chased by I don't remember who, but I was running. I freaking face planted on the rubber bottom, on the ground, basically. I face planted. I don't remember if I had braces back then or not, but anyway, it split my lip wide open right here. And if you ever meet me in person or whatever, you can definitely tell there's a scar there. I'm not gonna. You can kind of see, barely, but yeah, there's a scar there now, and it was busted open. Okay, and my friends all saw me fall, and then they came over to me, and they were they had their cell phones, and they were checking my lip with their cell phones, with their cell phone light, and they were like, "Oh my gosh, Mike, whoa, wow, what happened?" and all this stuff. So I told them, and so the fun and stuff stopped there. We all walked back. We walked back to my friend's house that was throwing the bonfire, and one of the hot chicks, one of the hottest girls that I've ever had a crush on, honestly, she was I was walking with her most of the way back to my friend's house, and that night, honestly, that night was one of the better nights of my life, even though I got a scar from it and stuff. But she was walking with me back to his house, and the group of everybody else was behind us, and yeah, she was I don't remember where we got a rag or something from, or even if we had a rag, I don't know, but we were walking to his house, and we went to his bathroom, and there were 3 or 4 of us in this small little bathroom. Just somebody got me a rag, somebody got me a wet rag. I put it on my lip, kept checking it, kept putting it back on, kept checking it, and we were high schoolers, and this guy's mom and dad were asleep, and nobody took me to the hospital ever. And turns out later I was supposed to go to the hospital because somebody, I don't remember who, told me I should have gone, and it was like a nurse or somebody that I knew, but she was like, "Oh yeah, he definitely should have gone to the hospital. He could have gotten an infection, blah 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 blah, all this stuff." I was actually probably at church, because that was a Saturday night, and my mom made me go to church the next day, on Sunday, with a big swollen lip. It was swollen as crap, and it was so embarrassing. But that night, man, I got to talk to one of my crushes, one of my biggest crushes ever, for minutes at a time, and I was I don't know, never went out with her ever to this day. I never went out with her, never did anything with her, but I don't know, that was a good night. It was good. I busted my lip open, it was bleeding everywhere, but it was a good night overall. Yeah, alright, now it's time for the random fact of the day. The random fact of the day is the fact that I actually messed up on the first random fact of the day that people were supposed to know about, that I told about in the beginning of the video. So here's an actual, literal random fact of the day. It's even random for me because I just opened the book to a random page. Here we go. A variety of mimosa is called the sensitive plant because it wilts when touched. There we go. Dropping knowledge on ya. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up. But if you really liked it, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button somewhere down in the below the video. And honestly though, if you didn't like the video, why? Comment down below, tell me why you didn't like it, or why you did like it. Also follow me on the social medias right here. If you heard that noise, there was a car going by. Yeah, if you want to see my 5 things playlist, click here on this, whatever I choose to put there. And if you want to see another playlist, which I don't know what I'm going to put here yet, click here. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Scoot that later.